Hello, it's Jeffrey the maintenance guy. About time to need to change these filters. It's gonna burn out these filters. Never stay in here. This is supposed to spin around and around and around. It's gonna burn out the dang motor. These stupid filters. That thing's supposed to spin like that. Lucky we didn't. Supposed to be able to slide this thing out to clean it. I don't know why they put something in there like that. I don't know what that is. If my guess would be something that dehumidifies the air or something. Removes moisture from the air. I mean, who knows? Who knows? Apparently this thing just slides out and you can hose it down. The only problem is we don't have a hose up here, unfortunately. Might have to see what I can rig up. Get a hose up here to clean that thing. So it's like a mini tour of these AAON units. We got 5 of them up here on this roof. All about a little over a year old. I like them because they're really easy. These doors open and you get right in here and do whatever. Got stroll compressor. Going through the side glasses here. Pretty cool. I got that. These are speed, variable speed thing. It kind of pulses the motor to get it started. It's supposed to be some kind of energy efficient stuff. I don't know. I don't know too much about these AAON units because I'm new, and you know, I just come up here and change filters on them. Electrical and heating section. There's heat. Pretty much all of them look the same as this right here. I know there's some trouble codes that blink on this thing here. Bunch of fuses in here. I mean, it's crazy, this whole thing. It can't just be an air conditioner. It's got to have a brain now, you know. We have I didn't bring it with me because I wasn't going to really do it, but we have a small handheld computer we can plug in here and configure how this thing runs, set points and high-low limits, stuff like that. But yep. So it's about time to change these filters, as you saw. Just need to order some from our supplier. But that's our 9-ton unit we were just in. 6-ton. This is like more of a less air circulator. This is supposed to be like this, they tell me. It's exhaust air conditioning air. So, no, I'm not an engineer, I'm not an architect, I'm certainly not indoor air quality control person, but something to do with removing the CO2 from the building. That's a life safety thing, so I don't know. That's above my pay grade. This one's always full of water, right? Always been having troubles with this one draining, so let's see if we can't unclog this one. So, I'm pretty much going around finding everything problem I can today. Again, same thing in different configuration. Let's see if she's draining. Last time I had hell getting her to drain. guys are, you're gonna die. You stay up here on this roof. It's draining. It's draining. It's just got a lot of water. I guess this one removes moisture out of here. It's weird. Like conditions the air and then spits it back out here on top of the roof. This one's not running, maybe because it's not calling. There's no error codes blinking, so I guess this one's satisfied. So. Alright, that's been a short tour of the roof here. So, and preventative maintenance stuff I gotta do. Exhaust hood here. It's not on right now. Yeah. That's lovely. There's water under this thing. Feels like a water bed. But yeah, we gotta get ourselves a hose up here, clean that thing out, and do all that fun stuff. This is Jeff, the maintenance guy, wishing everybody good luck.